Hello everyone, welcome to Alina's Fashion. I'm so glad you stopped by. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Here we review everything about clothing, children and adult wear, and I will also do repairs of your sewing machine. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about this particular issue of your needle bar not moving. As you can see, this needle bar is not moving at all. Okay, so as you can see, I've been trading and also I've been on the balance wheel. So I'm going to be opening this thing. Okay, just open this to see where the issue is properly. So this is where the issue is. This is not moving at all. It's supposed to be moving, as in it's supposed to be spinning around this disc like metal. It's not moving. I've raised I've raised the presser feet. Okay, it's not moving. This kind of a disc is the metal on top of the disc that's supposed to be going moving on this round and disc, this one. Okay, but it's not moving. And if it's not moving, the needle bar is not going to move and you're not be able to sew. So I'm trying to just make it move. See, it has moved a little. So this is the issue. We can't really work with this. Can't really work with it. So this needle rod, I'm going to tighten it. I'm just wondering if it's because it's loose. So, and also this metal on this round um kind of a disc. Okay, I'm just going to tighten it, like spinning the balance wheels, not still rotating. So I'm just going to screw it there. You just move this metal so that to rotate around these discs. That will be the solution to the problem, whatever will make it rotate. So I'm tightening the needle rod. I've done a video on this, how to tighten the needle rod before. You can check my previous video. I'll keep the link down below. So I'll tighten this part, okay? Then I'll look for whatever is loose, okay, on the machine and tighten it also. So after tightening this part, I'm going to search for whatever is losing again from the machine and tighten it. So yeah, we're still trying to figure out. So this is the stop motion screw. I'm going to tighten it. As you can see, it's losing. It's not tightened. So this is where the issue is. When the stop motion screw is losing, you have to tighten it on the balance wheel. So I've tightened the stop motion screw and it is now working perfectly. So whenever you have such an issue of the needle rod not moving and the needle is not moving, also it's not sewing properly, just go to the stop motion screw and tighten it tighten it with the balance wheel. Thank you for watching Alina's Fashion. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share, leave your comments. I love you.